Hi, in this video, I am going to show you 5 different styles of how I'm styling my box braids. Actually, the large box braids, I wanted to be very specific. And I always feel like it's more variety to do with large box braids. I don't know, they're just so easy. The medium and the small just have you sit for 9 hours. Oh, anyway, let's get to the video. It's on style number 3. The very first style, I don't know if you got a chance to really see that because I was just kind of talking nonsense, but whatever. Now, this particular style is one of my favorites. I will pull sometimes 2 pieces from the front and pull to the back with the rubber band that you're seeing now. And I'll tie it just to hold it in place and just kind of push it down on the hair so you can't really see the rubber band, can't really see what's going on. It's not too distracting in the back. It just kind of flows with the style. See how I push it down? So it like fits perfect. And then of course I always love curly pieces. So I'll have the curly pieces come out in front so they can kind of bring a little light. I don't know what I'm saying. Just bring some brightness to my face. Who knows? Now this next style, half up, half down. And I love to take from the sides, completely from the sides. I'll use a bigger rubber band than the smaller one, kind of sturdy and firm, so that it can capture the hair. And of course, I'm going to loop it twice so it can stay firmly. I will always take some hair and get rid of the rubber band, but for the sake of the video, I didn't do that. The length of it, I didn't want it to be too long, and that's typically how it looks in the back. And I will sometimes have the hair come towards the front, or I'll just completely take it to the back with that half up, half down. The next style, I'm going to use a looser rubber band, much looser. And the reason why I'm not going with something too tight is because it's so much easier to work any amount of hair with this rubber band. They're not firm, they're very loose, but they're flexible and they're stable. They keep the hair stable. No slip, it doesn't slip off your hair. It it's not one that I've come to know, I don't know, in years ago. I haven't known them to be around for years. No, they have been around, but I haven't just really known that they were out there. But this is the final style where I just put all of the hair up in a rubber band. And sometimes I'll pull it to the front, sometimes I'll pull it to the back. And these are all of the styles. I hope you enjoy them and have variety in your box braids looks.